Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Today we're here in New Kingston. Right now we're on Trafalgar Road. We'll be going on Ruthven Road very soon to check out development that's happening. We're gonna go take a look to see what's the update, what's the progress of the work. In more specifics, we'll be heading to the Ruthven Towers on Ruthven Road. So welcome to the channel if you're new. Definitely subscribe for more content like this. Definitely leave a comment as well after watching and share the video. Alright, so across the road we have the Pulse Business Center, which has the Pulse rooms. That's rooms for rent. Vacation type room, Airbnb type room, hotel type room. You also have the Pulse Modeling Agency and also the Peter Tosh Museum over that complex as well. So that's the Pulse Business Center on Trafalgar Road. To that direction is Devon House, closer to Halfway Tree. Closer to Halfway Tree. And we have NCB down that side, that's the atrium. Beside NCB is the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica building. Alright, so this is Trafalgar Road, so stay tuned. We're going on Ruthven Road now to check out the update on the Ruthven Towers. So we have the Ruthven Towers right here. Let's get a bit closer. Alright, so I did the first video on this complex back in September 2019. So that's like 4 to 5 months ago. I'm gonna put that link in the description. That's gonna be the first link. I'm also gonna pin it in the comment section as well. So if you guys wanna check out the video update before this one just to see the progress of the work. So that's the Ruthven Towers, Ruthven Road. Alright, so under construction right now is the first of 4 towers. So they have 3 more towers to construct when this one is finished. So they'll be doing them one at a time, have it occupied and start the other. So when they finish this one, they'll move to have it occupied before starting the other towers. Each one is 8 floors as well. When the complex is finished, you'll have running trail, gym, play area, swimming pool and other amenities. It's a very big compound. This is a NHT venture as well, so it's not open to the general market, but only qualified NHT persons. There is a lot of good coming from this construction as well, because Ruthven Road was a major area for robberies. You know, persons coming from work in the evenings usually get robbed along this road, and the thieves would have run in a gully that was right there. So there was a gully right there, so they would have grabbed phones or other valuables and then made their escape in that gully. So at least this construction has put a stop so far to that. So that's another good coming out of this. Alright, so we're gonna get a bit closer, guys, so definitely stay tuned. So we're just on the top of Ruthven Road, right next to Trafalgar, right next to a small park, Sagicor Park. So today is a Sunday, so the traffic is a little bit light. So not a lot of traffic today, and it's also a little bit overcast as well. You can also see that they'll be having elevators on this first tower. I think probably within the next 6 months or so they should be finished. Alright guys, remember to like the video as well, leave a comment. That will help YouTube to push the video to persons that are not subscribed. So the more likes on a video, the more comments help to push the videos. So YouTube will push the videos to persons that haven't watched it yet. So like, comment, share. And if you're new, definitely subscribe for more content like this. So that's their construction elevator going up. And again guys, if you want to donate to the channel, be a patron for the channel, all that information is in the description as well if you want to donate to the Roshain Reviews channel. So this is a very quiet and lonely road. Hoping that this construction brings some more traffic to this road, Ruthven Road, even though it's in New Kingston. Guys, definitely leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this construction so far, the design, the progress of the work, the speed of the work. I don't see any Chinese on this job, so I'm assuming it's a Jamaican contracting company that got the contract. I'll take a look at the front to see if I see the name of the contractors. But let me know, leave your comment guys. Ruthven Towers, tower number 1. Alright, so we're getting closer to Winchester Road. We have the Jamaica Employers Federation over this side, and some other apartments around here as well. So a few other apartment complex. So we have Ruthven Court apartment. So now we're at the side of the towers. We just looked at the back view. So this is the side view. It's a very big construction, a very big building. I know some persons are going to say it could be taller, could have a lot more floors, which is true, because we're seeing that nowadays the norm for these new apartment complexes 8 floors, 9 floors, 10, 11, but we're not seeing a lot going in the teens or in the 20s. But let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so this is now the front view. We have the Civil Aviation Authority right behind me. I'll show you guys that in a second. And this is the front view for the Ruthven Towers. It's a very big land space. This was a government property. I think one of the police branches, I think Mocha. Mocha is still on the land over this side. They haven't moved out yet. I guess as the project expands, then they have to relocate. So very big land. to all 4 towers. Right, so I think this size of the land we're looking at is about 2/3. So 1/3 is zinced up for the first tower, and I think 2/3 is left for the other 3 towers. So the land goes way down there to that building. Let me know what you think about this size, guys. If you think this is adequate for all 4 towers, plus gym, plus pool, plus playground area, plus running trail. So because of the scaffolding and everything, we're not able to see the full design very clearly as yet, and I haven't seen much official pictures of the finished project, but I guess as time goes by we'll see the final design. Seeing that M&M Jamaica is the civil engineering and general contractors on this project. First I'm seeing this company based on all the other videos I've done. Alright, so we're now on the same side as the tower. So tower number 1, Jamaica Employees Federation, Civil Aviation Authority over here, and we have Winchester Road right there. So I'll be ending the video shortly, guys. If you have made it to the end, I appreciate the support. I appreciate you watching so far. Definitely like, comment and share. I'll show you guys a little bit of Winchester Road as well. So this is the police office that's going to be moved. Goes straight back to the wall. Still occupied right now. So another look at the compound, the complete compound. It's a lot of land space over there. It's a lot of space to play around with. And that's the tower there. And then this is Winchester Road. So that's Winchester Road heading into Halfway Tree to the Winchester Business Center. Then this is another glimpse of the Ruthven compound. There's a lot of land space, and then that's another apartment complex that's going to be beside it. So I think the land space is adequate. Right behind the wall over that side would be Auburn Road, which leads into New Kingston as well. Alright guys, see you on that next video.